In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom not responding Windows 10. When Zoom freezes in your browser, loads a blank page, or keeps spinning without joining a meeting, the culprit is often corrupted cookies or site data. We're going to clear that data in your browser, then refresh Zoom so it can load cleanly again on Windows 10. Start by opening your web browser. Any modern browser works here. With the browser open, look to the top right corner and click the three-line menu icon to open the main menu. In some browsers, you might see 3 dots instead of 3 lines. It serves the same purpose and opens the Settings menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a dedicated page where you can manage how your browser stores data and handles privacy. Inside Settings, go to the section labeled Privacy and Security. This is where options for your history, cookies, and cached content live. Next, click Delete Browsing Data. This brings up a panel for choosing exactly what you want to remove. In that panel, make sure the option for cookies and other site data is selected. Cookies store your sign-ins and site preferences, and when they get out of sync, they can prevent Zoom from responding. Clearing them gives Zoom a fresh start. Keep in mind that removing cookies will sign you out of most websites, so it's a good idea to know your logins or have them saved before you proceed. Now click Delete Data to confirm. Your browser may ask for a final confirmation. Go ahead and accept. The cleanup can take a few seconds. Just let it finish so everything is cleared properly. When that's done, switch back to your Zoom tab and refresh the page. You can use the refresh button near the address bar or press F5 on your keyboard. If Zoom prompts you to sign in again, that's normal after clearing cookies. Log in, then try opening your meeting, your personal room, or the page that was previously stuck. With the old site data removed, Zoom should load promptly and respond to your clicks as expected. That's it. By clearing cookies and site data through your browser's privacy and security settings, you've reset the connection that Zoom relies on and resolved the most common cause of the not responding behavior on Windows 10. Thanks for watching, and I hope this got you back into your meeting without a hitch.